It's so hot. Yes, I know. You hot too, Bo? Yeah. It's so hot. Sometimes days can be sunny and not so nice. It is so hot. Don't you agree, Suitcase? Yeah, I would honestly agree. It feels like it's 1,000,000 degrees out. You're telling me, Apple. It's so hot. Yeah, tell me about it, Paintbrush. It is 1,000 degrees. Well, I think it's 1,000,000. It's so hot out. Oh, hi, Paper. Hi. It's just so hot. I feel so hot. I feel like I'm gonna turn into grilled cheese. Yeah. Yeah, I know, guys. It's so hot. I think I'm like an ice cream cone beginning to melt. Well, I think we all are ice cream cones melting. I'm vanilla, and Lightbulb is banana, and Paintbrush is chocolate, and Apple is cherry, and Bo is strawberry? Yeah, strawberry. Yeah, and even the fact that the air conditioner is broken and the pool is super gross. I just wish there was something that could cool us down. Hey, wait a minute, guys. I just remembered. I have a couple of juice boxes. Does anyone want some? Yes! Okay, here you go. Yes! Whoa. Marshmallow, don't drink your juice too fast. But why, Apple? Because, Marshmallow, if you drink it too fast, you'll get the hiccups. Oh, nonsense, you guys. I never get the hiccups. What? Yep, you heard me. I never get the... Oh, no. I think I got the hiccups. Oh, no. See, Marshmallow? I told you. Oh, this is just great. How are we gonna get rid of my hiccups? Yeah, we better get rid of them. They're so annoying. You're right. We need to find a way to cure Marshmallow's hiccups. Yeah, but how? Hey, I have an idea. Hey, Marshmallow. Yes? I know how to cure your hiccups. Oh, really? Then how do I do it? You just need to drink this glass of water from the wrong side. On which side is the wrong side? Like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think they're gone. Oh, no. That didn't work. I guess that didn't work. Aha! I know a way. Marshmallow, I know how to cure your hiccups. Really? How? You just need to hold your breath for 30 seconds. Oh, okay. I'll try it. Oh, that didn't work either. Oh, well, that's just great. Now how are we going to do it? Hey, I think I might know a solution. Marshmallow, I know how to cure your hiccups. You just need to stand upside down. Okay, I'll try. Hey, I think it's working. Ow! No, that didn't work. Sorry, Apple. Oh, how are we going to get rid of Marshmallow's hiccups now? Hey, Fan, you have any ideas? Well, I guess she could suck on an ice cube. What? No, Fan, that's silly. Oh, trust me, it will work. Now, suck on it, okay? Did it work? No, it didn't. Aww. Well, that didn't work. We might as well give up. No, we can't give up. We gotta get rid of her hiccups. Yeah, but how to do it now? Well, I guess I could feed her this spoonful of sugar. Marshmallow, eat the spoonful of sugar. Okay. I think I ate it all. Finally, they're gone. Oh, no. No, that didn't work either. Oh, this is never going to work. What can we do now? Aha! I think I have an idea. Oh, what is it? Okay, Paper, how are you gonna get rid of my hiccups? By using this. Paper, why would you think that would work? Jeez, Marshmallow, you don't need to get angry at me, but hey, at least your hiccups are gone now. Yeah, you're right. Yay! Oh no! Please, go away! We tried everything. Oh no. Guys, we tried everything, but we still cannot get rid of Marshmallow's hiccups. Oh no, now she's going to have hiccups forever. Guys, we can't give up. We have to get rid of Marshmallow's hiccups. You're right, Paintbrush, but how? How are we going to do that? Hey, I do have one idea that just might work. What is it? Maybe we could try scaring Marshmallow, because then it might scare her hiccups away. Hey, that's a great idea. Let's do it. Okay, guys, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Do you think it will work? I hope it does. Guys, why did you scare like... Guys, my hiccups are gone! Yay! Thanks for helping me get rid of my hiccups, guys. Aw, you're welcome, Marshmallow. Yeah. Well, I learned my lesson. What's that? Don't drink orange juice or eat or drink anything else too fast, because then you'll get the hiccups. You know, Salty Salt, we're not as little as Marshmallow, right? Yeah, we can drink juice as fast as we want. Oh no, we've got the hiccups. I think you're right, Pepper. Oh no, now Pepper and Salt the hiccups. Don't laugh at us. Just get rid of our hiccups. Okay, we'll do that, but we're gonna have to fade to black because we don't want this episode to be any longer. Okay. Fade to black. There we go. Bye, everyone.